Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, March 29th, 2018. Well, folks, before you, this is the intraday chart of Tesla. If I zoom in, you can see early today it flushed beautifully, piercing my major $250 level. Just in yesterday's video, I came on and I did a video and I showed this chart and I said buy at a pierce of 250. Anything below 250, a strong buy. If you listen to me, it literally bounced over $20 just in a few hours off that level. We bought it in the research center, and again, folks, this is the key. And some of you guys might think, oh, well, great to find the level, but did you know it was going to fall from $350 down to $250? The answer is yes. Take a look right here, folks. I think this is one of the most amazing things, and it just kind of proofs it. So here's a timestamp. This is our Rant and Rave blog, and you can see posted by me Thursday, January 18th, 2018, 10:40 a.m. Eastern Time. So this was literally over 2 months ago. And here's the chart of Tesla. And you can see very, very clearly here, I had isolated down as it was rising into this 350, 360 level. And I said it right here. I said it's nearing a strong short level at 355. There's a classic bearish retrace to a breakdown trend line, and you can see the trend line here. You were retracing up into that resistance line. The stock has significant downside to $245. So when it was at 350 and change, when it actually got as high as I think 365 on this move up, but when it was nearing that level, gave out that short, said it was going to 245. Well, if you look at the chart here, folks, let's flip over to the daily chart. Picture perfect, and look at this. And here's that same trend line, by the way. Here's that same trend line I had on that right there, right up to that level. Then the sell-off began, and look, here it is. Got down close to 245 today at the low. And again, as I said in yesterday's video, as I told our members, as we did in the research center, we bought it. My entry, 248.50, given live to the research center. And look at the bounce on this thing already. Now, we took our profits already. In 2 hours, we made 20 bucks. I'm not a greedy person, folks. You buy even a few hundred shares of Tesla at 248.50 and you get 20 bucks out of it. I mean, you're literally making a few $1,000 in a couple hours. There's no other profession out there that you're making that type of money that quickly. So we took our money already, and it was just the perfect ending to a great week. We had multiple profits, but again, I mean, this is just proof in the pudding, folks. And again, if you're not a Research Center member, honestly, you're crazy. Here's the Rant and Rave blog. You don't always get, great trades on this. I try not to give those out too often because obviously I want people to join the Research Center, which, by the way, has a 7-day free trial. But here's the Rant and Rave blog. You can go check it out under free services. Here, my partner Nick has done a couple great posts and a video today on the Rant and Rave blog. But more importantly, folks, just take a look under free services, go to Research Center track record. This is a verified track record right here. And here's the Tesla trade already up. And again, just another winner. Look at this now, 240 and change percent this year. This is just 2018 and added in Tesla. Just the other day, we had Amazon. That was a beautiful short right there. Google, I mean, you just name it, folks. They've been knocking it out of the park here. Here, I can just scan. Look at all these trades, by the way. These are all swing trades, and look at them for the year. And again, we do have a few losers out there. I'm not going to pretend that we don't have a few losers, but I think it's important to note the consistent winners. Literally, it seems to me, if you look at how many trades I gave out swing trade this year, how many I took, it's literally for every 10 trades, you might have one loser. I mean, that's an incredible win rate. There's no, Goldman Sachs is, business. They don't do that type of result. And this is bar none better than hedge funds out there, better than every single one out there. I cannot stress that enough. This is like rock star status. Now, part of it is the fact that we have the PPT methodology. If you've never heard of that, you've got to read up on it. It's a proprietary methodology we teach our members here, and it is the best out there. Hedge funds literally come to us and say, can you please come teach my hedge fund traders how to use this methodology so they can pick stocks like you guys? And we do. We'll teach, we teach our members, we'll teach hedge funds, we'll teach anyone who wants to learn. It's really just open to the public if they're willing to learn. And that's all we ask. Just be an open mind and be ready to learn and absorb. Bottom line is, folks, get the Research Center. I mean, here's the Research Center, and this is me logged in, actually. So we'll go to the logged out version. But right here, if I click on that, Here it is, 7-day free trial, otherwise $99.95 a month. And if you just put it in perspective, right? So let's just say you had 100 shares of Tesla today. Let's say you're a small investor, you bought 100 shares of Tesla today. You made $2,000. So you literally paid for over a year and a half of the service if you're on a free trial too. Think about that. Free trial, year and a half the service, boom. And that's just we bought Tesla today and we sold it today in 2 hours. Year and a half of the service included right there. Boom, you just made that money. And it's incredible. Incredible. I mean, it's bar none the most amazing thing ever. And again, we offer options alerts. You can join the options. The options have been rocking as well. Here's the track record for the options. The chat is just unbelievable, folks. Another 2 winners today. We made another $10 on a scalp on Amazon today, another $3 on Netflix scalp today, and again, that just adds to the profits. We have a track record. We haven't posted it, but we keep a track record with members of the intraday stock chat of all the trades as well in the chat room. And we're gonna once we launch our new website, we'll be posting that up on the chat page as well. But the chat has a 7-day free trial as well. So bottom line is, guys, I mean, just think about the money. I mean, if you're not joining, you're just missing out. It's just that simple, in my opinion. This is the best market because the PBT methodology is at its highest when the VIX is north of 12. It's going to just bang it out of the park. And by the way, the market volatility is not going away. It is not going away at all. So come join us here, guys, at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Get the next trade like Tesla. I'm looking for it right now, maybe posting it later today. If not today, then when we get back from the holiday weekend, I'll be ready, locked, and loaded to make money with members. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.